Hello everybody, welcome to your next instalment of AGS Success. This video is on summarising texts and summarising information, which is a key skill for all of us in our revision schedule. So what is summarising? Summarising is a shortened version of a longer text. It includes the main points and has the most important details. What it does not contain is anything unnecessary. So a summary is a shortened version of something with all the necessary details included and highlighted. So we're suggesting at Acklam Grange School that to summarise a text you use the 5 R's. You reduce, reject, reword, reproduce and repackage. And if you look at the screen you can see that the bubbles tell you what each of those R's mean. So you use the 5 R's to summarise the text you've been given, and it's very important that you go through every stage in that particular order. So the first stage is reduce and reject. So in order to find the main points, in order to create your summary, you must reduce the larger text by rejecting the things you don't need. So using highlighters to find the most important bits and literally crossing out or lining through anything you are rejecting. Highlighting alone and reducing and rejecting is not good enough though. So once you've done that process, you must then reword. This is a vital part of the process because rewording means you have to rely on your literacy, and sometimes thinking of a synonym, a word that means the same as something else, is a great way to make it stick in your memory. Once you've reworded the bits that you've reduced your big text to, you then have to reproduce and repackage. Again, it is no good just having a nice highlighted sheet. You must reword it and then think about a way to reproduce it, maybe using some of the memory techniques in an earlier video, and then repackage it in a way that is memorable and makes sense to you. That might be thinking about a key across different summary grids, you might be thinking about colour coding, whatever it is that makes your learning stick. So there we have it. The 5 R's to summarise: reduce, reject, reword, reproduce and repackage. So now you've tried it and had a quick go, make a list of all the current topics or subjects you feel the 5 R's would help you with, and make a pledge to yourself to use the 5 R's at least in one piece of AGS Enhanced very soon, and ask your class teacher if you could use it in class. But then more importantly, use the 5 R's by reduce, reject, reword, reproduce and repackage in your own revision.